Now to Karen Reed's retrial right now at 4 o'clock. Reed's fate is now in the hands of a Norfolk County jury. The jury got the case this afternoon after closing arguments wrapped up. Reed stands accused of second-degree murder and faces 2 lesser charges in the death of her then boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe, back in 2022. Her first trial ended in a mistrial after the jury couldn't agree on a unanimous verdict. Prosecutors allege she hit O'Keefe with her Lexus SUV and left him to die in the cold. The defense says the investigation was botched from the start.
The Commonwealth has struggled to try to prove that John O'Keefe ended up in Brian Albert's front lawn because he was struck by a vehicle. They have failed. They cannot and they will not ever be able to prove that John was struck by a vehicle beyond a reasonable doubt and to a moral certainty, because the science does not lie, the medical evidence does not lie, the physics do not lie.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt what happened that night. There is no doubt who did it. You have a very difficult task ahead of you when you consider the evidence and you consider the law. Very difficult. There are 3 charges. There is second-degree murder. Ms. Reed, when she chose to drive back at Mr. O'Keefe in that night with a 6,000-pound Lexus, in that anger, 75%, whether she meant to hit him or not, didn't mean to kill him, she hit him.
After closing arguments, Judge Beverly Cannoni sent the jurors on their way to begin deliberations. Lawyers reviewed the charges at a conference yesterday. Those jurors, of course, can take as long as they need to deliberate.